Now I am going to discuss about the third point. At first, transpiration. What is transpiration? Transpiration is the loss of water in the form of water vapor from the plant body through the aerial parts of plant. Now, what are the factors affecting the rate of transpiration? The factors affecting the rate of transpiration are: number 1, sunlight; number 2, temperature; number 3, wind; and number 4, humidity. Sunlight. Sunlight increases the rate of transpiration. That means the rate of transpiration is more in a sunny day than a cloudy day. Then temperature. If the temperature is increased, the rate of transpiration is also will be increased. Then wind. Wind increase the rate of transpiration. And then humidity. If the air is humid, the rate of transpiration is low. And if the amount of humidity is less in the atmosphere, the rate of transpiration will be high. Now, the next point, that is importance of transpiration. Transpiration helps in keeping the plant body cool, number 1. Number 2, ascent of sap and distribution of minerals. Ascent of sap means upward movement of water, is called against gravity, is called ascent of sap. Distribution of minerals, actually minerals cannot be conducted alone, they are conducted along with the water. That is why when the water is conducted in upward direction, along with water, minerals also will be conducted. Then removal of excess water. Plants absorb water from the soil through roots, and very less amount of water is required by the plants for different kinds of life processes, and the rest of the water is to be lost from the plant body. Otherwise, accumulation of water will be occurred, which damages the cells and tissues. That is why transpiration helps in removal of transpiration helps in removing the excess water from the plant body. Now, the relation between transpiration and absorption. The greater the transpiration, the greater is the rate of absorption. That means if the rate of transpiration is high, then the rate of absorption also will be high. Now I am giving some homework questions from this portion. At first, define transpiration. You can write the answer from the book, or you can write from here also. Question number 2, how does humidity affect the rate of transpiration? It is also given in the book. What is the importance of transpiration? You can write this answer also from the book or from here. Then I am going to discuss number 4 point. Minerals. Minerals are very, very important for the growth and development of plants. Now, they are classified into 2 types, macro and micro. Macro nutrients or macro elements, and micronutrients or micro elements or trace elements. Macro elements means the elements which are required by the plant The elements which are required by the plants in large amount are called macroelements. For example, nitrogen, phosphorus, calcium, potassium, sulfur, etc. And the minerals which are required by the plants in very less amount, they are called microelements or trace elements. For example, iron, zinc, copper, etc. Now, if the supply of minerals are not adequate for the plants, then what would happen? If the plants do not get essential mineral nutrients in sufficient quantities, they may suffer from deficiency diseases. For example, chlorosis, red leaf of cotton, dwarf cotton, etc. Now I am giving some homework questions from here. Name a disease in plants caused by the deficiency of zinc. 2 number question, name any 2 micronutrients. 3 number question, differentiate between macro and micronutrients with example. You can write the difference from the definition. Now this is all about the chapter, and the homework questions which are given, you must solve the same at home and solve all the exercise questions given in the book. Thank you.